Hello. Are you seeking to transition to cloud? I can make the journey easier for you. When I started learning cloud about 6 years ago, the concept seemed abstract to me, even when at the time I already had about 10 years of experience developing web and mobile software applications. It took me hands on projects and courses prepared by IBM, GCP, and AWS to get to grips with it. My skills came in handy recently when I mentored cloud developers following a well designed Udacity course curriculum. That role involved guiding students struggling to understand cloud to build and deploy real life projects on AWS. My experience has led me to develop hands on tutorials with videos designed to give learners a quick understanding of setting up infrastructure and deploying applications to AWS and GCP. These tutorials are grounded on courses and tutorials developed by the leading cloud providers. You'll find the links to these materials below. These tutorials are for you if you're involved in front-end development, back-end, full stack, data, analytics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and you want to use cloud technologies. Use them and feel free to send me a message if you have questions on your cloud journey. Cheers.